All right. In this new series that I think I'm going to do, we're going to look at some of the lesser covered stocks out there in the world. In most cases, it's something I have, something I don't see a lot of videos on. Usually, when you look it up, you see something that's 2 months old, 3 months old, 4 months old. Stuff's just old. So, first up, we're going to start with HYSR. All right, so HYSR. This one for me was a Hail Mary play. Still is. I still have some shares. I'm currently aiming for about 50,000 shares. The current price is slightly more than a penny, but not much more. It's 0.0147. Basically ended the day the same way it started, the same number. When you're this low, there's usually not a ton of movement. All right, let's take a look and see how my position is currently looking. So I actually have two open positions because one of them currently buying and the other one was previously there. But it looks like we're at negative 1.35%. Gosh dang. And that's okay. Hold tight, hold tight. Let's check out the other section. It's a little bit further down here. Um, Down 41%. Oh my gosh dang it. As you can see from the 52-week range, it goes from basically a penny 35 to 5 cents 54 cents. That was way back on December 5th, 2022. It's been dropping pretty consistently ever since. Let's go ahead and hide this real quick. Let's jump it back about 6 months. Pretty consistent downward spiral. What I like most about this one in particular is they're doing a new technology, something no one else is doing. And usually, when you have something that's new like that, you have a chance of getting in early and doing something great. Unfortunately, their price is falling at such a rate that I fear they may be delisted unless they do a reverse stock split or something like that soon. All right, let's look at the latest news stories. So, as you can see here, they're exploring a scale up operation with another company called Kotek, which is a leader in industrial electroplating. Sun Hydrogen, stocker symbol HYSR, is a developer of a breakthrough technology. It's basically a way to turn hydrogen into energy, or in this case, it says into sunlight and water. And they're able to do this without emitting poisonous gases that normally happens when that conversion happens. This can be a breakthrough for electric cars and a whole bunch of other litany of things. As things go more and more green, as the government pushes more funds to saving the earth, their technology could be something that really takes over in the future, and that's why I'm investing into it. All right, so not financial advice, but this is basically the way I'm looking at this. I wouldn't really recommend a lot of people jump into this, especially with it being as low as it is. I kind of see this as a win in the lotto type of thing. Um, the thing that's really good about it to me is the thing I already said already. It's a brand new technology. As far as I know, they're the only ones doing it, and they're doing something that's a little bit better than what other people are doing. That being said, they need a lot of cash. They need a lot of new investors to put money into this, including some of those big like hedge funds and things like that. They need more cash to get more money to basically scale out the operations. They also need some more practical uses. Right now, it's just basically them showing off their technology. A couple months ago, when the price spiked, I believe that's actually what happened right around here. I believe that they came out with a slightly bigger version of their prototype. That being said, they need to work with some other companies, find out some other ways they can utilize this. And hydrogen is simply a cleaner energy than some of the stuff we have right now. All right, so let's look at the potential outcomes of this. I mean, you can look at it multiple ways. Obviously, price goes down to zero, 50,000 shares, it's worth zero. That's absolute worst case scenario. And as it currently is, I have about $700 in there. So if I lose that, yes, it hurts. Yes, it hurts, but it's not the end of the world. We can recover. So let's start off with kind of like the current price. Like I said, 735. So let's say our penny essentially makes it up to 10 cents. Drag that down there. Boom. So this just makes it to 10 cents. It will now be worth $5,000. 700 originally, $5,000. Huge potential. Now let's see if we can make it to 50 cents, right? 50 cents, all of a sudden we have $25,000. If this is a new technology and it can just make its way to 50 cents. Now, understandable, this is a Hail Mary. So I'm not saying anyone should do this. I'm just saying this is what I'm looking at, me personally. $5. So jumping up again, boom. $250,000. Is it that crazy to say it could get there? I don't think so. Now, the more crazy one would be if it got to $50. This would have to be something a little bit more of a household name. But at $50, this is worth, count the zeros, three, $2.5 million if this reaches $50. Heck, if it can reach 10 cents, I think we're winning. At the end of the day, we're winning. I personally probably wouldn't sell if it got to one, especially if it was a slow climb up. That's really what I want to see. I want to see them come out with some more projects, show some more value, show some more companies they're working with, maybe some more investors, things like that. And if they can just get the ball rolling in the positive direction versus the negative direction, I think they'll be okay. All that being said, case they didn't know, I's a hobo. Thanks for watching. This is our update on HYSR.